So what's up mga guys? Now we are playing and we're playing MLBB in rank. Guys, wait
Mobile Legends!
gameplay.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed. Thank you. An enemy has been slain.
Handle 3v1.
An ally has been
He
slain.
did. I don't know what he's doing. He knows he's about to die and he's still got. Move out a little bit. Really? Your skills are outdated, man. Okay, mag-elif na. Just joking. He's
Enemy reached level 4. Enemy reached level 4.
Logi. Really at a disadvantage right now. Oh, why?
Enemy has slain the turtle.
You know what? Oh,
Launch attack! Okay.
bright.
Good game.
Ayaw mo pa muwi. You don't wanna go home? Okay.
Well played. Killing spree. Solo kill.
Ayaw mo pa muwi. Malas natin ang kanyang gold. Yeah.
An
Busin mo.
enemy has been slain.
Busin mo. Para hindi siya. Last gold. What? What? Ano yan?
Mega kill.
Nothing happened. What is bro doing?
Okay. Kill. Not bad. Great play.
After we reach level 7, we're gonna go to No, I don't need. Oh shoot!
Enemy has destroyed the turret.
Oh no! Should I sell it? Yeah, maybe I should. There we go. First item build.
Ally has been slain.
2-2. Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Tuturuan ko mage. Ay, wala pala.
Gather up the turtle!
Kukunin ko lang ang good dito. Uy! Please, kapi ka ba, pre?
Legendary! That was amazing! That was amazing!
Ano, G? Punta ka doon. Punta ka muna doon. Punta ka muna doon. Punta ka muna doon. Sabi ko eh. Punta ka muna doon. Ayoko niyan. Ayoko niyan. Ayoko niyan. Ayoko pinagpapal. Ayoko. Seriously. Ayoko. Ba't mo pa inultihan? Alam mo naman meron si Tamus. You know I'm right here. And you didn't target me. Instead of targeting Karina, you should have just left that. Because, I should probably now. I should push. I should push right here. And,
Amazing!
now, walang kukuha sa creeps. Pag na lang. Ay, di. Logi to. Logi to. Uy.
Legendary!
Shimay galing.
Your team destroyed a turret!
May team. May team ah. Logi tayo dito. What the heck? Ba't ko binili? Ito ang nangyayari kapag lahat. Oh my god. Lugi na lang. Tignan mo na, lugi na tayo. Oh my god. Na mga guys.
Solo kill!
Dito.
Enemy double kill! Solo kill! Well played!
Hindi ako lugi. Anong ginagawa mo? Aking ang minions pre. Ay. Uy, ano yun?
Hey!
Not bad.
Not bad!
Tama naman ang nangyayari dito. Wait, minions ko. Bye-bye pre. Sabi ko eh.
Kill!
Pre, takbo. Ano pre, ano, GG? Ano G? Takbo. Takbohin. Patubo light. Ano yun? Ano yun? Oh. Parang nothing happen. Parang nothing happen. Uy, mid.
Good game!
Ay, mag-switch. No. Ito na kasi sa lana.
An enemy has been
Push lang
slain!
to eh. Sige na oh. Labas ka dyan. Ano ba? Just as I expected.
Okay!
Sorry guys. Oh, nakalimutan ko. Kailangan pala mag-English. Sorry guys. Spend na kasi niya eh. Don't have time to do it.
An enemy has been slain!
Attack.
An enemy has been slain!
Ika pa item sa ta. Sige mo kamali good. Don't need to tell me twice.
An enemy has been slain! An ally has been
ako sa gold. Ang galing to magsalba ng kontra na may kontra. Ano sabi kontra mo? Kontra. Uy, wag dyan. Wag dyan. Ano, Jay? 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 Wag! Ay, nice mga guys. Lodi, sakit nila. Gather at the Lord.
Gather at the Lord!
Ba't namatay? Ba't patay? Takbo na, Silvana. Ito na damage. Ay, di ka mag-match. Nabuhi pa talaga. Sakit nyo. Sakit nyo ah. Masakit pa kaya sa uto. Can you give me some tips, guys? Grandmaster pa kasi ako eh. Putik. Ay na, wag na. Meron ng tao ang pupunta dun eh. Pressure lang tayo mga guys. Pressure para may lord doon, may minions here. Para they don't got time to react. Para nawalan kasi ako ng win streak mga guys. Please help. Talaga.
You have been slain.
Takbo. Ano, Jay? Shutdown ka pa talaga. Ay, retreat.
Initiate retreat. Understood. Your team destroyed a turret. Solo kill. Great play.
Useless naman ng... Oh my goodness.
Killing spree. Shut down. Double kill. You have slain an enemy.
Ano yun? Parang pingas. Ay, joke lang. Respect this ka. Respect ating mga kontra mga idol.
Launch attack. Solo kill.
Tips lang mga idol. Okay lang yan sa akin.
Launch attack.
Oh, huwag yan. Lakas.
Launch attack.
Ay, pinag-ibig.
An enemy has been
Na,
slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
At ka nagtapos. Ngayon, galing. Dito. Libre pa pa.
Sword Slayer.
Hindi ko pwede mag-live sa ganito. Pilis, kinabuhi.
Kill.
Mali. Hindi lagi. No. Ano ito yung bilhin ko? Tingnan nangyari mo. Balik.
Follow Lord.
Dito. Salbano. Mag-push ko. Kung mo mukuhan. Sabi ko sa inyo. Full item na sila lahat. So, hindi pa. Ay, patay ang Rurik. Rurik na gameplay. Thank you for watching and I hope you like. I'm not forcing you, okay? I hope you like. Thank you.